me in the face.
Okay, well, I need more than that. Can you give me a little bit of a story?
I am ready to press charges. I am done.
What happened tonight? What's your name?
It's Chloe Rowland. He slapped me in the face because he don't like what I'm saying to him.
Okay. What's his history to you?
That's my baby dad of 5 years. We got 2 kids. I'm done. I'm over it. You can take him. Take him. I'm not protecting his ass.
So what was going on tonight? Have you guys been drinking?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And I am done. I never pressed charges on this man. I am done. I will write a statement. I am done. I want to bury his ass. I'm done. I am done. I'm going to my mom's. I want to bury him. He is in his mama's house right now.
Okay. So that's his mom's house for you?
Yes, sir.
So one more time, can you explain to me what happened tonight?
He did not like what I was saying. He hit me in the face in the car.
What are you guys arguing about?
The usual. The usual. Our kids, our situation. Me.
Are your kids here?
No, my kids are with my mom. We are in a DCF situation.
All right. What's his name?
I just have my kid. I am done.
Not being very forthcoming with
details.
details.
My keys. I'm close. Where's she at? Inside. I will let my keys. I'm co-signed on the car. Right. I'm co-signed on this car.
Where did he slap you at?
In the car. In the face.
Where at in the face?
In the face. He just.
Listen, I understand it's a stressful situation. I need you to
No, he just lashed out.
Okay, listen. I'm trying to understand. Okay. I just need you to try to calm down a little bit so we can get everything. So where at in the face?
In the face. Right here. It's nothing new.
Okay, listen. I wasn't there. So everything I'm asking,
understand.
Where at on your face?
In the face. Right here.
Okay.
He struck out. No. In the face. Right here.
Oh, come on inside, boss.
Can you tell me what's going on?
We had a voucher for the last 2.5 months at Wymore Hotel. She's upset. She assaulted me the other afternoon. My eye was all black. I healed it. I didn't call the cops. I left. I'm pretty sure you guys got the report.
Maybe. I'm not
up to date. At the end of the day, I'm done. I came to my family's house. I'm not with it.
So what happened tonight, though?
Nothing happened tonight. She's upset.
I'm not asking
she swung on me in the car.
Right.
And I pulled at my mother's house.
I was more, I guess, trying to get educated on the situation.
She hit me in my vehicle, in my face again. You see my tooth is cracked out because of her.
That tonight?
Yeah. No, this was, a couple months back, about almost a year. But I avoided conflict, and I came to my mother's house.
So tonight, where were you guys coming from? She said you were arguing.
I was leaving from Wymore where we was at. We were staying in the hotel, and I came back to my mother's house. I was over here talking to my mother and my stepfather.
Now, she smells like she's been drinking. Have you had anything to drink tonight?
I've had 3 shooters, but I had them early this afternoon around like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock.
And she called the police with you both in the car?
She called the cops while I was trying to drive here, and she was swinging at me in the car, and I pulled up here and I came to my mother's house.
Listen. We're going to get everything sorted out, okay? So he was driving, you were in the front passenger seat.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You guys were driving down the road.
Yes, I said I sucked his homeboy's Maybe true, maybe not. And he punched me in the face. He said, oh, yeah?
Did he punch you with an open hand, closed hand?
Closed. Okay. Closed hand.
What hand did he hit you with, do you know?
I don't know.
Okay.
He thinks yes, I've been drinking, but I usually never report on him.
Okay, listen, can you just...
And I've been waiting.
Listen, I need you to lower your voice a little bit, okay?
I did not put my hands on her. I didn't touch her.
How did she strike you?
She swung and hit me while I was driving.
Like a hand, a fist, with...
Can't tell you if it was hand or slap or fist, but...
You got hit in the face?
I tried to drive to here. Got here, my stepfather opened the door, and I came in here and sat down.
Do you have any marks or injuries?
From 4 nights ago, my eye, if you want to put the light on me, she gave me a black eye, but I didn't call the cops. My right eye.
Yeah, I see it. You got a black eye.
Yeah, and I didn't call the cops because I didn't want any problems with her. You feel me?
Do you want to press charges tonight?
I don't want to press any charges, but I would like her to leave me. I don't want nothing to happen to her. I just would, I would really appreciate it if you can either.
So she says she's co-signing the car. If she were to leave, are you okay with her taking the car?
No, if she's co-signing the car, but
she doesn't have a license.
The sad part is her license is suspended.
What set it off tonight? Was it just?
What set off tonight is my mother told her, "You met my son. My son had a life before he met you," and she didn't like what my mother told her. So she walked out my mother's door, right there on the porch, take me back to the store and get more liquor. I looked at her. I said, "Well, babe, I don't want to do that. You feel me? You." I said, "Okay, me, but make sure you respect my family." And I walked out the door. When I walked out the door, take me back to the store. You ain't shit. You ain't shit. I took her back to the Wymore store. She bought 2 or 3 more shooters. I drove back here. My mother can tell you. I drove back here. I let her sit outside in the car, in my car.
So if it came down to it, would you be willing to write a statement on what happened tonight? I'm
going to write a statement. I'm going to tell you flat out. I love her. You hear me?
Yeah.
That's the mother of my 2 children.
Okay.
But I would not press charges.
All right, well,
if you want to take me to jail for something that she's accusing that I did, and I didn't do it.
Yeah, no,
my mother tried to talk to her. My mother and my stepfather and my father that's been in my life since I was 2 is trying to help me and her. And she's fighting it. Because her family, you feel me?
Right.
Has put her to the side. And she's taking out on me and my family. I love her and I care for her. We have 2 children together. But at the end of the day, her common sense ain't there.
After you said that he hit you,
yes, sir.
Before that, any time did you hit him?
Absolutely not.
You didn't slap him?
Not
like that?
one time.
Not one time?
Not one time. And I will admit, you can look at my priors.
I saw the priors.
I admit when I hit him.
You both have a lot of history.
Yes, we do. I admit when I hit him, and I'll say I did it and I don't give a f. No, I told him I sucked your homeboys.
When I said lowering your voice?
Yes, sir.
There's people right here.
Okay, I'm sorry, but I'm... Okay, alright. No, I did not touch him. Okay. I did not touch him. And I admit to police
So you said with a closed fist he hit you, right?
Yes, sir.
How hard of a hit?
Not hard.
I'm not trying to say you're lying on it.
No.
Because like right now, as of right now,
no, because he hits to insult feelings. He doesn't hit to injure. He hurts to hurt feelings. That's what he does. Because his feelings are hurt. Because I told him I sucked.
Okay, we got that already.
Yes. Real quick. He doesn't leave bruises. He hits Papa. You can absolutely. Well, Lisa's not gonna tell on him because she's a bitch. That's why I go to jail for her too. You can look at that prior too. You can look at that prior where I beat her ass up for being stupid.
Did he slap you or hit you?
No, he hit me. He hit me.
Okay. All right, so we're getting 2 different stories right now.
Okay.
So.
Yes, sir. I did not hit him.
I mean, you could slap someone and not show anything on him.
Yeah, that's probably what's on his hands, too. This time I did not hit him.
No, the only marks he has is a black eye that he says you gave him the other night.
Correct. But you're gonna arrest me tonight for the other night? No, he hit me tonight. I know you can see that. But I did not tonight because I'm sick of it. I want him in jail. I don't want him anymore. I want my kids and I want him to go away. I want him to face consequences for his actions. I'm done. I am so...
Well, okay. You're very frustrated. You're enraged. Everything like that.
Done.
What happened to your leg?
I told you. I kicked this
You didn't tell me.
Oh, I told him. I kicked this through a window at the mainstay. Oh. Yes, I kicked that through a window.
How long ago was that?
In November.
So before it came to whoever hit who, because that's really what's up in the air, because what happened before that? You guys were you guys here before you left?
We did come here, but there was no physical altercation here.
No physical altercation, no. But what happened? Was there something between you and his mom?
I talked to his mom, yes. And nothing physical, but she was just like, Chloe, if you know your worth, you will separate from my son. And I'm like, what the f***? You knew this whole, I'm telling him, you knew this whole time and I don't have 2 kids with you and your mom is saying this to me in front of you and you're not saying anything?
And then what happened after that?
I got pissed. I said, bring me to the liquor store. Because we just got kicked out the hotel today. We don't have nowhere to go.
Hey, I need you to understand something really quick.
Yes.
That light just came on. Any of these lights come on means people are probably about to come outside. And if people come outside because you're drunk and screaming, you could be looking at more trouble. Okay?
Yeah, and that's disorderly, and that's why I want to go in the car.
All right, but you can also just stop yelling.
I can.
All right.
Can I sit in the car?
I'll let you sit in the car.
Because there is no way out.
Any weapons in the vehicle?
No, sir. You
All
can search. There is no way I'm getting arrested tonight. Because if I get arrested tonight, I'm suing all of y'all. You look up my name. Look up my name. You can put the pieces together. Put them together.
It sounds like if I look it up, it's just going to see a...
Yes.
Yeah, that's supposed to benefit you.
Yes. Yes. Look it up.
How is that supposed to benefit you?
That benefits me because there's one. Before that, it was all against the roommate. From him arguing with me because I don't want to call the cops on him. Bro, but tonight I'm done.
I don't feel like you're thinking straight.
What do you mean?
Doesn't make any sense.
What do you mean?
You were telling me to look up your because that's supposed to defend you somehow.
Because you will see, I have one, and then the rest of the time it's battery against the ugly ass roommate that he forced me to stay with. And it's been a whole shebang
I mean,
from there.
Not that we're taking that into account, but if I was, that would just make you look like an aggressor regardless.
How?
Because you sounds like you have a history of being violent with multiple people.
No, it's not me. It's self-defense.
But you see why that doesn't make any sense? Why I would look at that?
Sir, it's self-defense.
Okay.
She just got on probation for assaulting me in front of my mother's house.
She's got off or got on?
Excuse me?
You said she just got on or got off probation?
She just got off.
All right. Go ahead and stand up for me.
Yes, sir.
Step away from the door, please.
Oh.
So, tonight, you are going to be the one going to jail?
No, for what?
Turn around, put your hands behind you.
Sir, what did I
Turn
do?
around, put your hands
I
behind
did not touch
If you
you.
keep yelling, you get this really against her. Just listen to you.
What did I do? I didn't
Hey,
touch you.
stop yelling, or you have another charge on you. You don't want
I will explain it in a second, but I'm going to put you in handcuffs before I
Officer.
do that. You have my word. I will explain it to you.
Officer.
Just give him a second.
What?
Don't you?
Hey,
What did I do?
stop. There you
Are
are.
you kidding? What
Come
did
on,
I
listen. You don't
do?
have resistance to each
What
other.
did I do? I didn't do anything.
Give me your hand now.
What did I do?
Stop resisting.
I didn't touch him.
Stop resisting.
Ah! Oh! What did I do?
Now you're getting a resisting arrest charge.
How? How? How am I resisting?
Stand
What arrest?
Stand up.
What arrest?
Walk.
What arrest, sir? Oh my God! What arrest?
Stand here.
What did I do? Oh my God!
16.
Oh my God!
Stop screaming.
Just go back inside.
Officer!
Hey,
Stop.
What did I
stop yelling. Now you
do? What did I
Now you
do?
get another
He
charge.
hit me!
Okay.
He hit me! Are you serious? Oh my God! Yo! 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 Oh, you bitch! You bitch! Yo! What did I do? I didn't hit him! Yo! What the No, what am I being arrested with? What am I doing? I didn't do anything. Sir, tell me. Please, give me my stuff. What did I do? Please, what did I do? I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Can I get a hit on my vape, please? Please, 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 can I get a hit on my vape? I did not
You want handcuffs around your
Please, please get a hit on my vape, please. Please, I didn't do shit. What did I do? What did I do, officer? What did I do? Officer, please! Mom! Yo! You didn't even have a resident or nothing! Hello! Oh, you can't. I am never speaking to you again! Again! Give me my shit! Give me my shit! Oh! What are you doing? What are you doing, nigga?
Hey, stop. Stop. If you kick him, there's some battery on LEO. It's going to be a felony.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
What did I do, you
Literally just kicking his window.
I didn't do shit!
Okay.
I didn't do shit!
You know
I didn't touch him!
Listen, you know it's a camera back there,
I
right?
didn't touch
I
him!
said you kicked the window.
Yes, I know!
Yeah,
I didn't do shit to be arrested!
You kicked the window. You was
Sir,
kicking the
what
window.
did I do to be arrested? What did I do? Can you answer me? Can you answer me?
You're not listening, so I'm not going to...
Can you answer me? I am listening.
No.
I did not touch him. You're female haters. You sexist ass pigs. No, I am done. Mom, I'm coming back to your house, signing over my rights. So he loses his kids. Yep, I gave him enough chances. Signing over my rights, I'm gonna live with you. I'm gonna work, stack money, live in your house, pay $100 a month. That's what I'm gonna do. And live, huh? Excuse you? No, excuse you. I tried to live with a dumbass and he failed. And I tried to work and he stole everything from me. So you don't know anything, cop. You don't know anything. They took him because I was with a dumbass and yet you arrested me, stupid. So why don't you shut the up and educate yourself before you open your mouth? You don't know anything. Soft ass, pussy ass. Shut the up. You don't know anything. Oh, I can still reach the handle. Huh? Yeah, I know. Obviously you shouldn't. That's a cure, because if you slipped up, I would be out. Ass. Let's go. I look forward to this. This is my excitement all night, bruh. I had a hard time. Why shouldn't I give y'all a hard time, huh? Why are you so scared? Let me at the car. Why y'all so scared? Why y'all so scared? Let me at the car. Oh, let me out. Bro, I like attention. Okay. Come on, I like attention. Hang on.